So hi guys, let's design a simple birthday flyer using the PixelLab. So I will go to my Canva here. I will write 1024 by 1280. So this is the Canva that I'm going to use. This is the dimension. So I will delete this and then I will go to my gallery and then figure out the background that I will be using. So here is the background. I will just select it and then I will go to relative size and then increase all, increase it, yeah, and then I will just centralize everything and just increase it a little bit and centralize everything. So I will go to gallery and then import the image that I will be using. I will use this. I've already fed the image using PSCC, which is Photoshop's version of smartphone. So I've already fed this. If you want to watch how to fed this, I will drop a link on the description menu so that you can actually learn it. So I will just kind of increase the size here. Yep, I will copy it again and then I will go to 3D X. I will turn it like this and then I will increase this one to be a kind of bigger than the other one. Yep. So I want to centralize the bots, so I will just click on here and then centralize the bot. So here we go. I will go to gallery again and then select his image here sitting down. So here is it. I will just kind of increase the size to be like this. Yep. So what will happen now is I will just copy it and then I will turn it. Let me see, where is my 3D? Yep, I will turn it like this and then turn it like this and even this one to be like this. Yep. So let me just kind of decrease the size here. Yeah. So for the downsize, okay, I may decide to just leave it like this. That is like a refill cap, right? Something is reflecting. So what will happen is I will go to text and then write the text, which is the name of the apostle. So D outer. So here's the name. I will use a kind of font. So I will use this font. This. Increase the size. Increase the size, and then for this I will go to stroke and stroke it with. Yeah, the label should be 4. Yeah, thank you. I will go to text again and then write apostle. Yeah, for this one, let it be uppercase letters, and then I will drag it out here. So I will go to background and then choose this color, and I will create this fading to be this, and then this also 77. So what will happen is I will go to font and then choose neutral regular, and then I will kind of increase the size, and then I will figure it around here. Yeah, so let me just kind of lift the layer to be kind of down the other one. So here we go with this one. Let me see whether I can kind of increase the spacing. So here we go with this. So what will happen now is let me just kind of lock the layers. Yep. So I've already copied a text. I will just paste it. Yeah. So So I will turn this one to be black, let it be black. And then for the size, the font should be meta regular. This, and then I will kind of drag it here. So I will go to size and then reduce the size. Yep, I'll make it to be like this. Yeah. So I want it to be like this. Yeah. And then I will go to, I will just copy this apostle. Where is it? Apostle. I just copy it. And then I will write 2nd November. Sorry, I will write 4th April. Yeah. So I will just put it right here. So for the spacing, I will just decrease the spacing to the normal spacing. That's 0. Yeah. Let me just make it uppercase letter also. So here we go with this one. I will go to gallery and then import something again, which is a circular stuff. Yeah, I need it to be around this axis, and then I will copy it again. I need one to be around this axis. Yeah, so I will write go to text and then write father. Let me just leave it as a kind of small letters, not uppercase letter or capitals. Yep. So I will be using a font that I used already. Let me turn this to black, and then I will be using a font that I use for the name, which is this. Yep. So just a kind of decrease the size. So let me just remove this E and kind of and put it to fit the, yeah. So I'll copy it again and then write a catch. So I'll put it here. So having write all this, I will just kind of copy this and then write P various Betty. Let me just make it uppercase letters. Then I will increase the size a little bit. Sorry. So let me go to spacing. Space it up. Yeah, this is good. And I will copy this again and then write design. Like guys, sorry. Alright, GUI features. Let me just make this one to be here. Yep. So I will just drag it here to be somewhere around there. So should I put the color to be black? Yeah, let me just leave it as black. Yep. So let me just kind of the alignment should be this. Then I will just put it towards here. Yeah, I think we are done with PixelLab now. So what will happen is I will save my work here. Yeah. So having saved your work, I will go to like PixArt. So it's actually loading. Sorry, I've already used PixArt, but let me just, yeah. clean up the minimization and re-enter again. So here we are. I'll click on the plus button. So normally our work is here. So here is what we actually designed with PixelLab. So I will go to add image, where I will actually import the background that we actually used. So I just want to do some kind of amendment. Yep. Yeah, there's a background. I will just go to add and then add it up. So I will drag this again and then I need this. Yeah. So I will go to like, let me see, blend, and then click on this screen here where you see screen, and then okay, so let me click on multiply. Sorry. So here is it. We click on multiply and then it's actually like this. So I will click on done. Yeah. Then I will go to add again. Sorry. I'm supposed to click that. Yeah, I'll go to add here, and it will direct me to my gallery. So I will go to here where it's Betty, and it's a kind of I need fire lens. So here is it. So I will click on this fire lens here. Click add, and I will just kind of drag it. Just a kind of drag it, and then I'll go to blend and then put on screen. So I will just put it near here, and then if I like, I will just copy the layer again. Here is it. I drag this. I will just tap on this. Yeah, you see, I will go to duplicate. So you see, two layers are now appearing. I will drag one here toward this axis. Yeah, or maybe toward here. The way I like it actually. So let me see. I will drag it here. So let me just click on done. I will go and save my work here. So it actually saved. So let me go to Snapseed and then enhance the design. So I have already used Snapseed. Let me just clean the minimization and re-enter again. So here we go. I will click the plus icon. So here is it. I have imported the design. I will click on here where you see pop. Yeah, you see the appearance has been enhanced. So I will just click on here. I will click on these tools and then go to white balance. So I will just kind of reduce the white balance to the -2, and then for the tint I will just kind of increase it to like, let me say 2 also. So let me go to I will go to details. Yeah, I will just increase the structure. Yeah, and then I will go to sharpening, and then increase the sharpening to be a little bit sharp. Yeah, you can see the appearance now is very sharp. So I don't want the sharpness to be that too much. So I will just click on this, and then probably if you want, you can go to tone and then increase the brightness, and then maybe the highlight, and then we go to shadow and increase it. So now what remain, I will go to ambience and increase it a little bit also. Maybe I will just leave it at 5. Yeah, here we go. So I can actually save my work now. So here is our outcome here. So you actually see how I actually designed this using the PixelLab, and then do some of the modification using PixArt, and then snaps it. Thank you very much for your time. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to have more tutorials on how to design using your smartphone. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial.